the attention, right?
Alex, show us your car.
Alright,
Rachel, feeling hungry?
Yeah, check this out.
Hi guys, we are here at the SUNDAYSESH. So last year we came here before. We had fun. So this year they offered like a VIP thing.
Yes.
So we come a bit early today.
Yes, you can see all our cars here of our group.
Yeah, where is our car? Oh yeah, all of us here.
Yeah.
That's cool, that's cool. Yeah.
And there's more to come. There's more to come.
Yeah.
More to come. There's Pranav coming. There's
my name is Uncle Sam.
and Cam's behind you there.
Cam, oh.
Who the fuck is that fucker right there?
Hey,
Is that Mr. Zeller? What a fuck with.
What about that one? And what about that one?
this place is the center of the attention, right?
Oh.
The center of attention.
So this is
attention.
This
I
place.
wouldn't want to take your title, Alex. I wouldn't do it.
Alex, show us your car.
Alright, yeah, let's be serious, mate. There you go.
There you go.
So my number plate's getting changed to...
What are you going to change it?
Low key.
Serious?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty humble,
If I'm gonna put on the
Which is low key.
low key, yeah.
Which is low key, yeah. Ferrari, GT3 RS, pretty cool.
McLaren, that's McLaren.
McLaren,
And that's a Harley Davidson.
Rams, pretty cool.
You know why I'm acting a bit silly?
Yes.
Right. Look where I'm parked. I'm a little bit disabled.
Just a little bit. Just a quarter. Just a quarter. You guys, all of our friends are over here. So it's pretty excited. Everybody just parked nicely over here. You can check out all the cars. So we got the McLaren over here. Rachel's car. A few Audis over here. These are all in our group. Guys, we have Ross. Which one is your car, Ross?
For the 2016 convertible Mustang,
Yeah.
2.3 turbo.
That's cool. So
Yeah, different, not the V8.
Yeah. So guys, we have David's Huracan Performante here as well. It's pretty cool to see this car. It's so amazing. Apart from that, we got the LC500. This belongs to Nick. And then we have the famous R8 here, Liew as well. Look at that. Look at it yourself. The Civic Type R. That's pretty cool. Guys, we got Jordan here. And then Grace, how are you?
Yeah, good, yourself?
Yeah. Hey, it's good to see each other relaxing, hey? Yeah, so it's cool, very cool. Thanks for moving my car, hey? We haven't checked all the other cars, eh?
It's just getting started.
Yeah.
Outside as well.
Amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna walk around. Have a nice night, hey? Guys, we have John. How are you?
Pretty good.
The famous John, I would say. Yeah. Yeah. So you guys been here like for quite a while?
Yes, since 4 o'clock this morning, so it's been
What?
pretty hectic.
4 o'clock. What?
Wait, what time's it now? Oh, I've been here since 3. Shit. Pretty good. It starts in 15 minutes apparently, and it's already full. Like that's my nice little small rig here.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Look at that. How much do you reckon?
$10.50 is right.
They call it the camera money pit as well, hey?
Oh yeah.
Is it always see you like traveling everywhere as well from your
Yes,
festival?
it's like game development and photography.
Game filming.
Game development and filming.
What sort of development you doing?
So like the crest behind like our games, man, like Need for Speed.
I know you always put it in the Need for Speed stuff, eh?
So I do like the game development, I'm stuck behind that, like cinematics in game as well.
So you get invited to all the events all the time, is it correct? Or is it a bit of a job?
They invite me along just to go along and film it, and
Okay.
maybe it's more pretty or something, I don't know.
I don't know. Famous.
Oh,
Famous. Cool. Good to see you, hey, John?
yeah, good to see you.
Have a good night. Have a good night. Have a good night. SUNDAYSESH. We're going to meet again. Have a nice day, mate.
We had a good night.
Yeah.
Good night.
Nice drive here, nice people. We got the actually 2 roles here today.
That's right. New friends. We had met a lot of new
Lots of
friends.
new friends today.
Yeah, this guy. Look at this guy.
Yeah. But yeah, so all of it had fun.